अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की वीडियो में हम MCQs ऑन हाई कोर्ट एंड सबऑर्डिनेट कोर्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which of the following statements regarding judiciary in India are correct? First, Supreme Court of India is free from the control and influence of legislature and executive. Second, subordinate courts are at the head of the judicial hierarchy of the state. Third, the Chief Justice and other judges of the High Court are appointed by the government consultation with the Chief Justice of India. Fourth, a High Court can withdraw a case from a subordinate court and can deal with the case itself if it is satisfied that the case involves a substantial point of constitutional law. Option A, first and second. Option B, first and third. Option C, first and fourth. Option D, second, third and fourth. Correct answer is option C, first and fourth. Next question is judicial review in India does not extend to option A, the advice that the Council of Ministers gives to the President. Option B, the discretionary powers of the governors. Option C, the privilege enjoyed by Parliament members. Option D, any of the above. Correct answer is option D, any of the above. Next question is public interest litigation applies to any case of public injury arising from option A, the breach of any public duty. Option B, the violation of a constitutional provision. Option C, the violation of the law. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question is which one of the following jurisdictions of the Indian judiciary covers public interest litigation? Option A, original jurisdiction. Option B, appellate jurisdiction. Option C, epistolary jurisdiction. Option D, advisory jurisdiction. Correct answer is option C, epistolary jurisdiction. Next question is a High Court consists of a Chief Justice and option A, at least 5 other judges. Option B, such other judges as specified in the Constitution. Option C, such other judges as determined by Parliament. Option D, such other judges as determined by the President. Correct answer is option D, such other judges as determined by the President. Next question is the Constitution makes provisions to ensure the independence of judges. Which one of the provisions given below is wrong in this context? Option A, though appointed by the President, their removal is by a difficult process. Option B, their salaries are charged on the Consolidated Fund of India or the state. Option C, retired judges cannot be appointed to any office under the government. Option D, the conduct of a judge cannot be discussed in Parliament except upon a motion regarding its removal. Correct answer is option C. Retired judges cannot be appointed to any office under the government. Next question is when can the salaries of High Court judges be reduced? Option A, if Parliament decrees it by 2/3 majority. Option B, during a financial emergency. Option C, if the state legislature passes a law to the effect. Option D, at no time. Correct answer is option B, during a financial emergency. Next question is the High Court enjoys the power first to issue writs for the enforcement of fundamental rights. Second, to exercise superintendence over the working of courts and tribunals under its jurisdiction. Third, to make general rules and prescribed forms regulating the practices and proceedings of courts under its jurisdiction. Option A, first and second. Option B, second and third. Option C, first and third. Option D, first, second and third. Correct answer is option D, first, second and third. Next question is consider the following statements. First, the Parliament cannot enlarge the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India as its jurisdiction is limited to that conferred by the Constitution. Second, the officers and servants of the Supreme Court and High Courts are appointed by the concerned Chief Justice and the administrative expenses are charged on the Consolidated Fund of India. Which of the statements given above is correct? Option A only first, option B only second, option C both first and second, option D neither first nor second. Correct answer is option C both first and second. Next question is, a common high court for two or more states and or UT may be established by option A President, option B Parliament by law, option C Governor of the state, option D Chief Justice of India. Correct answer is option B Parliament by law. Next question is, Judge of the High Court can be removed from the office during his tenure by option A the Governor if the state passes resolution by 2/3 majority, option B the President on the basis of resolution passed by the Parliament by 2/3 majority, option C the Chief Justice of Supreme Court on the recommendation of Parliament, option D the Chief Justice of High Court on recommendation of state legislature. Correct answer is option B the President on the basis of resolution passed by the Parliament by 2/3 majority. Next question is, the Constitution places the High Courts under the control of the Union in certain matters in order to keep them outside the range of regional politics. The Union exercises its control in the matters of first, transfer of judges from one High Court to another, second, being able to establish a common High Court for two or more states, third, determining disputes as to the age of High Court judges. Option A only first, option B second and third, option C first and third, option D first, second and third. Correct answer is option D first, second, third. Next question is, consider the following statements. First, the district judges exercise both judicial and administrative powers. Second, the session judge has no power to impose capital punishment. Which of the statements given above is correct? Option A only first, option B only second, option C both first and second, option D neither first nor second. Correct answer is option A only first. Next question is, which of the following statements regarding subordinate courts are correct? First, they function at district and lower level. Second, the pattern and designation of subordinate courts in the state is not uniform. Third, municipal courts have both civil and criminal jurisdiction. Fourth, the pattern of subordinate courts in metropolitan areas is the same as that in districts. Select the correct answer using the courts given below. Option A first and second, option B first and third, option C second and third, option D third and fourth. Correct answer is option A first and second. Next question is, who appoints the judicial officer of the subordinate judiciary other than the district judge? Option A Union Public Service Commission, option B State Public Service Commission, option C Governor in accordance with the rules made by him in consultation with the High Court and State Public Service Commission, option D Governor in consultation with the High Court exercising jurisdiction in relation to such state. Correct answer is option C Governor in accordance with the rules made by him in consultation with the High Court and State Public Service Commission. Next question is, which of the following is not a qualification for a person to be appointed as district judge? Option A, he should not already be in the service of the central or the state government. Option B, he should have been advocate or a pleader for 7 years. Option C, he should have completed the 30 years of age. Option D, he should be recommended by the High Court for appointment. Correct answer is option C, he should have completed the 30 years of age. Next question is, how much majority is required in each of the House of Parliament for removal of a High Court judge? Option A special majority. Option B special majority with ratification by half of the states by simple majority. Option C simple majority. Option D absolute majority. Correct answer is option A special majority. Next question is, which of the following are the grounds for removal of a High Court judge? First, proved misbehavior. Second, incapacity. Third, insolvency. Select the correct option from the course given below. Option A only first. Option B only first and second. Option C only second and third. Option D first, second and third. Correct answer is option B only first and second. Next question is, the Constitution empowers the High Court to issue writs under which article? Option A Article 32. Option B Article 76. Option C Article 144. Option D Article 226. Correct answer is option D Article 226. Next question is, the governor consults which of the following in matters of appointment, posting and promotion of district judges? Option A Supreme Court. Option B President. Option C High Court. Option D Tribunal. Correct answer is option C High Courts. Next question is, Andaman and Nicobar Islands come under the jurisdiction of which High Court? Option A Calcutta. Option B Orissa. Option C Madras. Option D Andhra Pradesh. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए कलकत्ता। वीडियो पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। शुक्रिया।